CS-80 time again, because tomorrow Sam and I are going to leg it up to Cambridge to bring my brilliant beast back home. Embarrassingly, my music room is in a bit of a tip, so today, tidy up time.
The DX7 has been revealed.
And I've moved it from the big metal stand, which I'm going to have the CS-80 on, moved it onto the Tyros stand, and amazingly it fits really well on the Tyros. That's brilliant. Right at the back is the good old Multi-Moog, which, I don't know, I might even sit that on top of the CS-80. That'll bring back some memories.
Yeah, sausage.
I'm not a photographer, but there you go.
Something you
Steps
can tell.
behind you.
Yeah.
Right. Next step behind you.
Cheers. Okay. Right. Now your end. This way.
So I've got to go on.
Right, said Fred, both of us together, one each end and steady as we go.
Is it going here or is it going to the hill?
Well, now once I get it down on here, then are you all right? You got it?
Yeah.
Then we can lower it down, and then
Really?
I'll work out.
No, Yamaha. Was this the one you had when you was on the telly?
Yeah. Yeah. How far back does that need to go before we lift it off? That's a pain. It's just got a lift. Oh, mine's out.
There you go. Well, that's not so
Let
bad.
there be light.
Where are you putting that?
Oh, I've got to. It's going to go in its case, which is in the garage. So
Oh, close.
imagine the size of that.
Yeah.
And it had, the case not only had that in with its lid, it also had a whole pedal board.
Just actually giving it a wee clean up. Let me see if I can zoom out so you get the whole picture. There it is, looking lovely, sounding lovely. Proof will be in the pudding. I will sort some sounds out very soon, and thanks to Jenny and John for looking after it, John for making it work so beautifully and creating all sorts of clever little patches. So for instance, I can get the foot switches to work again, or he gets the foot switches to work again, and I just play it. Thank you, and wonderful.